Ever wondered how mental health websites help people reflect on how they're coping with everyday life through just a few questions? Here's how. Psychology Today does it with an interactive mental health today test. The assessment features questions asking users to rate how strongly they agree or disagree with statements about their emotional well being, stress, relationships, mood, resilience, and daily functioning. Questions include things like I feel overwhelmed by my emotions. I am able to handle the level of stress I experience. I have physical symptoms of anxiety, such as sweaty palms. I have strong relationships with people I care about. I've made many terrible decisions in my life, and more. Based on their responses, users receive a score that gives them a better sense of how they're coping day to day. This creates a simple, self reflective experience that encourages users to pause, evaluate their well being, and consider whether they may benefit from additional support. Now, let's break down how you can recreate a similar mental wellness assessment using Outgrow. Start by logging into your Outgrow dashboard and clicking Outcome Quiz. Next, browse the template library and select the Mental Wellness Assessment template, or start from scratch for complete customization. Once inside the builder, you can add questions around different aspects of mental well-being, such as how often do you feel overwhelmed by stress or anxiety? Do you struggle with sleep disturbances? How frequently do you experience physical symptoms of stress? How often do you find yourself unable to concentrate or focus because of your stress or anxiety? Do you have a support system that you feel you can turn to when stressed? And more. Now let's move to the results section. This is where the magic happens. Based on each user's responses, you can assign personalized results such as healthy balanced stress level, highly stressed, and unbalanced. You can then provide a CTA to speak with a qualified professional. Next comes lead generation. Before revealing the results, you can add an optional lead form asking for the user's name and email. This lets you capture high-intent leads while offering personalized well-being insights or resources in return. Then go to each question and map the stress level outcome to the respective option under all the questions. To make the assessment feel consistent with your brand, head over to the Overall Design tab. Here you can customize your logo, colors, fonts, layout, and background images to create a polished and trustworthy experience. Once everything is ready, click Go Live. You can then share your assessment with a direct link, embed it on your website, add it to landing pages, or promote it through social media and email campaigns. And just like that, you've created an interactive mental wellness assessment using Outgrow. That's how easy it is to turn a simple self-assessment into an engaging, personalized experience that encourages users to reflect on their well-being while helping you generate qualified leads. Want to build your own mental wellness assessment, self-care quiz, or well-being calculator? Start your 7-day free trial with Outgrow and create interactive experiences that engage your audience, generate qualified leads, and boost conversions, no coding required.